So let's assume for a second that we want to modify all of the part files within this assembly to update a specific parameter name within there. The easiest way to do this is to actually just kind of export the data that we're looking for. And we can actually modify this in a couple of ways. One way would be to just come in and do an update of those values and then resend the data back. But if we take a look at the set for table parameter options, we'll notice that the item name can contain a wildcard. So that's what that little star means by it. So if we come back here and we say, okay, let's get rid of the rest of this stuff. Let's just say all star.prts. I want to modify this to hello. Okay, so when we press this now, these two functions would overwrite that data that's already there. So we're going to comment that out. And now we just need to put in the TBL my table name for the table to be modified. And when we press the do it button, you'll notice that it has switched over, read that table, and then read that data back. Now, if we come back over here to Creo and check some of our models, let's pick this one here. We see that it does in fact say hello. We could go by one at a time if we wanted to and check that out. But the quicker way would be to just re-enable that reporting, turn off our set function, and it'll clear that table and write out the fact that all of those parameters have been updated to that value for each of those models.